Ebusuya wa kwaba Fambra Ghana and Sem TV eso. Edi amje so any promise. Ebusuya obeka say last year na Abrante friend Oliver Baka Vamawo or a lawyer ni or man Ghana mu. Demonstration bi anu atudin occupy Julorbi house say obeka ya that demonstration no ya dia nema bebre si ye na nam so ma Ralph the fellow Ghanaians as akwa and dry echi ya okọ hospital already ya okoye nema bebre ho do mu no. Yes, sa demonstration ni mu no na mo blockade eye akwan ni ade nam so ma nema bebre esi o man mu na ye ka say occupy Julorbi house na the word Julorbi no say unche dan tiase ba onum say president netina bia na setena bi o no ye free ho no Jubilee house na almost say dey near no Julorbi house they ka say Julorbi house and ka say Julorbi a say kronfo ba e bu so me ko video bi a man ba ko wo Peace FM wakasa afasa asemu ye hu na ye ba ye ba chechim no wate ase
anze eduru ba bi a ye ka no krekere nipa mpe Oliver Bakavomawo baby aye nyina ya gia tum se eye the seat of government sa kwai eto seat of government aye fe no Jubilee house ni din Julorbi house kronfo ba fie Peter Nyasa Julorbi house kronfo ba fie. That is the seat of government, Jubilee House. Or Fred Jubilee House, Julorbi House, Kromfoba, Ifi. Why na ye Kromfono and the banner wine? At the time, na President Akufo-Addo netiso, and of Fred Jubilee House, Kromfoba Fie, Kofobo Zemano. E catch him say, Akwe Bodam, na momi enkano krencheno, Mantiasie. And so Akwa we say on the democracy hub of 4 year demonstration. When ya baby anko say 37 military hospital. Major hospital to say 37 military hospital. Apart from 37 military hospital no hono. 37 is strategically placed. 37 military hospital Elenke Kaukudi Bema Camp Jubilee House and an airport. Akwa we so call demonstration to make us abo any new logs at the blockade 37 intersection obi nkon obi aba open for that come here the no hospital say munyi duane ne for people Ghana for Jimmy for some doso e bi wu ana here den. People hailed him. Baye mu bi no ye ka kire mu se sa de na akwa no ye no mo ma ye ntunufo because I adambo mo antiase enan kakra eno ze na appointment committee chairman no na ni abre pa se mu ze na ni abre are na ni abre because or say appointment committee of parliament moji bribe moji ansakra na nipa abaho afedie entontoma si ontohwe ho to onze ni braba ya so democracy na o ma yanga no grand jeni pa o kwame
ya
eno ahwe beti ni bi
many twa so kakra
time
defense there me he kakra
time na o mo ka voma wode no o hwe ho no kakra
me unse chairman afene na ni abre pa
ni abre because tontoma si ni ntohwe ho
tontoma e den
esi ni ntohwe ho
akoda so betim do ma me nufu adi agro
enyo papa ntohwe
enti ni agro so unse asem na eno anu aka no enya ono na apolitifo ka okotu ki no
ono a
enya vama wa cha hwan ya
voma wo
enipa na itiche ye ka na mo de amanwesem aba be fi
afu ho
o me be odi akoduru afedi o kan sem ya 2.4 so afedi mani abre
say wagu a seat of government Jubilee House wagu hufi inte hodie say ano according to Oliver Vomawo no Baka Vomawo no.
All right, ebusuya enti wo share video e hwe ya it tells you clearly say omani e wo mu no. It seems like some people have the right to do some things and some people doesn't have the right to do the same thing. You know, especially look at what happened last year. A lot of demonstrations, a lot of things happening. chaos and all those stuff during those demonstrations. Presidency baby Ghana 2 million in a share. Now for us a crown for ba fee or in Kanaka the kind of Julorbi crown for ba Julorbi. You understand? I'm not very sure if these things happen under this current government. Those people can go scot-free. What do I say? Those people couldn't have gone scot-free. But you see, we live in a country whereby it seems like some people have the right to do some things, and people have the right to do the same thing. And it is time we have to be citizens, not spectators. We have to respect the presidency, because that is where Ghana, the 2 million in Aisha, Honor Ghana, in our. So let's put some respect on the presidency. Let's respect the presidency, the president, the vice, and the government. Yes, you can criticize, but be mindful of the kind of words you used. It was not good yesterday and it's not good today. You're not going to tolerate those things anymore. It is time we respect those authorities. Criticizing them is normal. That is part of the constitution. But let respect be part of the criticism. What do I say? You see, we know what is going on. We've seen a lot of things happening. But let's be mindful of the kind of things that we say, the kind of ways that we use, and the things that we do. Because whatever we are doing today, people are actually watching us. People are watching us. In college share, in phone so share. Be very mindful of the things that you say, things that you do. It's not because of politics. You'd use some certain words that is very, very, very uncalled for and very, very bad, just because you want to score political gain. It's very, very, very bad. It is time as citizens we sit down and tell some people that these things should not be done. These things should not be done. And I know someone may argue. I know someone may argue. You see, I think we should be a country where we respect the elderly people, give respect to the elderly people, and make sure say everything that we are doing is something that helps us build a better country for ourselves. This is just an advice to everyone watching us. Say, regardless of everything that you do, respect is very important. Respect is very important. So if you don't respect yourself, then you don't expect people to respect you, because respect is reciprocal. Respect is reciprocal. Hey, Ghana and TV, Busunya, and I'll pay the foot to us the bro. Meeting, I'm just so any promise. A foot to the baby, sure say, as a young politician, a young blogger, influencer, you would take this advice and respect the elderly people, respect the presidency, respect the government. Criticize is part of governance, but it is not disrespect.